Hungry bro! Today we're gonna talk about how to fund your MetaMask wallet. Now, I already went through how to set up a MetaMask wallet, how to add Polygon into your MetaMask wallet, the Polygon network, and now we have to fund, because a lot of you have been asking me, how do I support Hungry Bros NFT? How do I buy one Hungry Bros NFT? And tomorrow we are gonna mint. So here's how you're gonna be funding the account. So what you need to do is, there are many ways to fund your wallet, but I have one way that I feel that is the easiest and the most the cheaper way of doing it. Maybe not the cheapest, but the cheaper way. So you guys could go and check it out yourself, but here we go! So this is called Alchemy Pay, ramp.alchemypay.org, and they have helped multiple projects fund people's wallets before they mint. So here's what you need to do. You need to get ready your identification, and then when you go to ramp.alchemypay.org, I'm gonna put a link below so that you get it exactly right, the URL exactly correct. But when you go in, they'll ask for your email, you key in email, and there will be a verification process. But here's what you need to do. You need to decide on how many Hungry Bro NFTs you want, okay? I didn't reveal what is the maximum amount you can mint. It's sort of like a fun thing to do, but there is a cap. So you decide how many NFTs you want. We are a very small community. I'm sure that's enough for everybody. Alright? So here's what you need to do. You need to calculate how much you want. So let's just say per Hungry Bro NFT is 10 MATIC, right? You guys all know this, it's 10 MATIC, and you want to buy 3, alright? You want to mint 3, that will be 30, okay? I would say plus 1 MATIC to it, because on the Polygon chain, the gas fees are superbly low. $1 is more than enough, and that should be it, okay? So 31, okay, 31. So first of all, you want to make sure that you're going to get the correct MATIC. So you click on this at the bottom, search for Polygon or MATIC, and there'll be two options. Make sure you choose the one that says Polygon, because this is another chain. Binance Smart Chain is another chain. So click on MATIC-Polygon, and there you have your exchange, okay? So we only need 31 MATIC, so I'm gonna try to see how much 31 USD is, and a lot of these sites, they have a minimum. A lot of these how to buy cryptocurrency, they have a lot of minimum, but this ramp Alchemy Pay is really great. I think the minimum is really low, that's why I never reached it before. But 31 is about $36. 36 MATIC. So we don't need 36 MATIC. So I'm gonna go and try to change it to 33. No. Okay, 31. Okay, I think this is around the amount that we will need. So it's 27 USD for 31.86 MATIC. So I'll go and click proceed to buy MATIC. And what you need to do is, now you need to go to your wallet address again, click on MetaMask. We all usually start at the Ethereum network. Make sure you switch to Polygon, copy, paste it in, and proceed. And you ask for this. Okay, by the way, if you're doing it for the very first time, there will be a verification process, and that is done easily if you already have your ID as a photo on your computer. But if not, you could always scan a QR code on this site, and they will walk you through the verification process step by step. Okay, so this is the successful one. We got 30.4 MATIC. Just received an email confirmation, and this order has been processed and will be sent to your designated address shortly.
20 minutes later.
Oh, it seems like it's done. Let's go ahead and check that. Go to our MetaMask. Under Polygon, we have 30.4 MATIC. Yay! So all you have to do on that day is log into your MetaMask, go to the mint site, and click mint. So that's all for the video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, it's ramp.alchemypay.org, and all you have to do is do some verification, and you could use your card to pay into the ramp, and they will automatically send it to your wallet. See you guys!